Okay, class, so here are the instructions for your assignment. You are going to be making your own food web using Google Slides, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to watch these directions before I will answer any emails about the assignment, okay? So you're going to be making your own food web. So you're going to see like a blank presentation here. It's going to be called Food Web, okay? This is your food web assignment. What I want you to do is find 10 animals that you would see around your house, right? Or in Morrison County or central Minnesota, okay? So I want you to have 10 different organisms on your food web. You're going to be making your own though, so you need to make me a food web. So you're going to start with your producers, right? So go to Google, type in a producer. For example, I would put I've seen aspen trees, right? There's aspen trees around here. Okay, so I would take a picture of aspen trees. You're gonna copy it. So copy it off Google Images, go to your assignment, and then paste it. See that? This picture is gonna be way too big. So what you're gonna do is go to the corner and size it down, okay? Now, this is one of your producers. You need to add arrows to show how energy is flowing, right? So what eats aspen? Well, a grouse eats aspen, right? So you need to find, you need to put an arrow in. So you go to insert, you go to shape. Here, there's shapes and then there's arrows. You're gonna pick an arrow. Pick an arrow, make an arrow, like about that big. And you're going to want to tilt it to wherever you're going to put your next animal. To do that, you go to this top little circle, you click it, you're going to have a little plus there, and then you can move it however you want, okay? What eats aspen? A grouse eats aspen, right? So I'd go here, I'd find a grouse, okay? Here's a rough grouse, copy, paste. This image is much too big, right? So you're gonna size it down. It needs to be pretty small, okay? Just like this, you need to have 10 different organisms on your food web, okay? I'm gonna count them out. That's gonna be part of your grade next week. So after you have 10 of these done, you're done. You need to make sure your arrows are pointing in the right directions. Make sure you have 10 different organisms. You need to have at least like 3 producers to get to 10 organisms, I'm guessing. So make sure you put some time into this. This is kind of a fun assignment. So if you have any questions, send me an email, but make sure you watch this directions before you send me an email about the assignment, okay? All right, guys, have a great week.